Hi. So in this video, we're going to be talking about sets. Now, what are sets? Sets are basically unordered items, okay, that will not have any duplicates. All right. So let me give you an example. So for here, I'm creating a first set, okay, equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and second set equals to 1, 2, 1, 5. All right. Now, if I were to print, okay, first set, okay, and print second set, okay, so let's run this. So you can see that the first set 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, but the second set there's only 1, 2, and 5, okay, because in sets there are no duplicates. All right. Now, with sets you can do some other things. Firstly is the union. Okay, so what is the union? The union is basically all the elements of both the sets, okay, without any duplicates. All right. Now, in order for us to do that, all right, we can do it two ways. Okay, so first way is first set, all right, have this OR operation. All right, so this straight line is also known as like an OR operation, where everything in first set together with everything in second set, except that there are no duplicates. All right, so I'm going to print that. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we do not duplicate the ones, we do not duplicate the twos, and so on. All right, the other way of getting this union, okay, is to put it explicitly, where we say first set dot, okay, union, okay, of second set. All right, so this will also, all right, let me print this out again. Print first set dot union of second set. So this is also another way of printing out the union. All right, so again, what is union? Union is OR operation, basically everything in one set with everything else in the other set, but without duplicates. All right, now the second one is the intersection. Intersection is looking at all the common elements within both the sets. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to print. Okay, so again, there are two ways to do it. To get this intersection, you can say first set, okay, and with second set, or first set dot intersection with second set. All right, so let me go ahead and run this. So you can see that the common terms in both the sets are 1 and 2. All right, so 1 and 2 is what we get here as the output. All right, so with sets, okay, they are unordered, there are no duplicates, and you can find the intersection. All right, which is the you can find the union, which is basically the OR operation, all the elements in both the sets without duplicates, or the intersection, which are the common terms in both the sets. All right, of course there are other operations that you can do with sets, but this is just a basic introduction. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.